Yum, yum, yum. We are going to playa Tranquilo because we are chill girls. What could be more fitting?
We need to chill after Girls Day.
Girls Day was a lot. These girls. Whew. This is not a snorkeling. We are just holding our breath in. And then he's feeding the fish with bread. He just can't speak French. Smack, smack with waves. Smack, smack, smack. There are things. Wait, fish catching time. Yay. Fun game. Ever gotten bit. You look good at first. I did the push-up, but then this is not the side of the pool, and I went straight just into Reagan onto the floor. Look at your face. Hello. Do you want? We brought books to the beach, but we literally didn't need them because every 3 seconds people were trying to sell us stuff, or like they would massage your feet when you weren't looking and try to make you pay for it. Everyone else got food except for us, but figured it out. Do a flip! Do a flip! No, okay. Too many tricks. Watch the shit. No more tricks. Not safe. So hard. It is so crazy. Most tasty, delicious drink ever, and then have some amazing food. That sounds like a good day. Yep. Check. Oh my god. So cute. But where's the sangria though? We still waiting.